Hello everyone, this is Areca from Vietnam, and today I will share with you about PVT. This is the second video that I share about PVT. Today I will update the Q2 results. Resilient Q2 results thanks to reduced operating costs. And the source of this video is Energy Research Team work at Viet Capital Securities. PVT overview about the vision and mission of PVT. The vision to maintain the position as Vietnam's largest transporter and maritime service provider, ensure sustainable, stable development, and high competitiveness, to build and develop PV Trans to become a recognizable transportation brand in regional and global markets. The mission to contribute to the national energy security, promptly respond to oil, gas, transportation and maritime related service demand, to operate at a profit, maintain and enhance capital, to ensure utmost benefits for shareholders, welfare and favorable working environment for employees, making contribution to the community and society. The core values to maintain and improve quality of fleets, skills of crew, ensure utmost safety in operation, to strictly comply with international and national maritime transportation regulation, to be open to accept changes, and constantly creative and innovative at work, to be unique, supportive and cooperative, to commit to increase wealth for shareholders, to be safe at work and welfare for employees, to provide professional service for customers, to link personal accountability with work efficiency, and comply with international regulations and rules, to satisfy customers' demand to the best of the firm's capability, and ensure customers' success in guaranteeing PV Trans succeed. Okay, and we continue to overview. This is the board PVT. This another ship PVT. We have some picture. And to invest in Vietnam stock market, please email to hong.nguyen@vcsc.com.vn or phone to 0084 91432 6556. I am Areca Nguyen. Okay. PVT company overviews. PVT is dominant domestic provider of maritime transportation services for Vietnam oil gas industry. PVT owns the largest liquid tanker fleet in Vietnam and holds a dominant market share for the crude oil transportation of Bình Sơn refinery BSR 420,000 DWT and 50% for oil products with 160,000 DWT and 90% for liquefied petroleum gas LPG with 42.5 thousand DWT and 10% for coal transportation with 83,000 DWT and 10% for floating oil storage. Okay, FSO. And this is all about the PVT overview. And we can see in yesterday's July 30, 2021, the current price is 18.5 thousand Vietnam dong. And we see the ROE, return on equity, is 15.3%. This is really attractive for the long-term investor. And EPS growth in H1 2021 is plus 5.5%. EPS growth 27.3%, and okay, PE now is 11.1 times. Yes, it is attractive compared to PE of VN index. So PVT is have the PE is so really attractive. Okay, we move to the detail of Q2 results. Resilient Q2 results thanks to reduced operating costs. PVT released H1 2021 results with revenue in recurring net profit after tax, minority investor, increasing 5.5% year-on-year and 27.3% year-on-year, respectively. Revenue growth were driven by a contribution from new chemical tankers acquired in late 2020 and Q1 2021, while the strong net profit growth was thanks to lower cost in H1 2021 compared to H1 2020, when the first COVID-19 disruptions caused elevate operating costs, and the second, PVT booked maintenance expenses in advance for the dry docking tanker in Q3 2020. H1 2021 capex was 1.4 trillion Vietnam dong as 61 million US dollar, completing 65.3% in our 2021 for F forecast, as PVT bought a very large gas carrier VLGC for 40 million US dollar in Q2, which was earlier than expected. We note that official H1 2020 profit was 18.8% higher than the preliminary number announced at PVT June AGM. H1 2021 revenue in recurring net profit after tax minority investor completed 45% and 55.6% of our respective 2021 F forecasts and were higher than our expectation. While the COVID-19 situation prompts risks of raising operating costs in H2 2021, we foresee upside to our current forecast from the VLGC profit contribution and potential non-operating profit from the liquidation of the Athena crude tanker in H2, pending a fuller review. And this finger about the PVT Q2 2021 results, we can see the revenue, gross profit, operating profit, and net profit after tax minority investor recurring. We see the positive results of PVT on Q2 2021. As I mentioned with my investor, if PVT can increase the return on equity, yes, ROE ratio to 20% per year, and if PVT can do that in 3 years next, we will see PVT at another level, with higher level. It will come from the price will jump to another base. Yeah, I think so. We can observe PVT and invested in this company. Yeah, I see PVT have a bright future. Yeah, thank you. I'm sorry, I am not good, but I would like to share with the foreign investor who didn't attend in Vietnam. Yeah, and I would like to share the information for the investor, and you can make a right decision. Yeah. Thank you.